Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy curly half up half down hairstyle. We're going to divide the hair into small sections and we're just going to take a section about 1 inch wide and I'm going to wrap this around a curling tong. Make sure that you don't try and flatten this section hair out, let it twist around the tong as it wants to. Hold it for about 10 seconds and when you release it, give it a tug so it loosens up that curl. Then we're going to move on to the section next to it and we're going to do exactly the same thing but twist the hair around the tong in the opposite direction. Don't forget to tug at the end to loosen it up. Curl the rest of the hair using the same method and then we're going to take the crown area and just smooth this to the back of the head and tie it off in a clear elastic band. Now make a little hole behind that elastic band with your fingers. Pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a small twist. Apply some texture spray over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're really going to pinch and pull the hair at the crown and also along those twists to give it some volume and a little bit of messy texture. Now we're going to take a small slice of hair just under that crown section on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. We're going to take the same size section, bring these two sections together just under that first twist and tie them off with an elastic band. And again pop your fingers behind, pull the tail ends through to create a twist. Apply some more texture spray over that new twist and then again using your fingers pinch and pull at that section. Now moving on to the top of the head, we're going to take another slice of hair, making sure we leave some hair out to frame the face. And we're going to bring this back and start twisting the hair towards the head. And we're going to lay this just under those previous two twists and then just secure it to the head with a bobby pin or two. Grab your texture spray and again apply it to that new twist and then use your fingers to pinch and pull that twist so the texture matches the rest of the hair. And then pinch and pull the hair at the top as well just to give it a little more volume. And then we're going to repeat this on the opposite side, so take a little bit of hair, leaving out some to frame the face. Twist it towards the back of the head. And then we're just going to pin it slightly to the left hand side with a couple of bobby pins. Apply your texture spray along that twist and then pinch and pull to loosen everything up. Now we're just going to take our texture spray again and apply it to those curls and then we're just going to use our hands to gently scrunch those curls and pinch and pull them apart so they're not so curly. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.